my gosh. Oh my god. Can you see how so pretty? I can't stop. Like, I want to use them right now. Hi, good morning you guys. Right now it's early in the morning doing this unboxing video. I probably won't upload this sometime tonight or tomorrow morning. Anyways, this is an unboxing video of the coveted Valentino PVC. That's a long name, oh my gosh. But check out the box though, it's so pretty. It's like a deep red color. So I first tried this on at Nordstrom. I fell in love with it. Originally, I wanted a black one, but the sales associate said that they ran out of the black. Instead, she brought out this color. It's like a nice, it's like beige, no? Dark brown? It's like a nude color. And they have it in my size. It's size 35. So I tried this on to see how it look on my feet, and oh my god you guys, it's so pretty. It's like love at first sight. Look at all the studs. Long time ago, I did have a friend. She was like, oh, let's go get one at Valentino store because they're having a 20% sale. But I didn't bother to check them out because one, I can't justify to spend that much money on a sandal. I mean, I was already feeling guilty when I bought the Tory Burch Miller slipper sandals. And two, they look uncomfortable because look, they don't have any cushions. So I was thinking like, how is this going to be comfortable? I mean, it's so like, there's no cushion. I need cushion on my sandals. So I first told the SA I'll think about it because I wanted to check the Valentino boutique to see if they had one in black. So I went to two Valentino boutiques, and they all said that they all ran out of the black ones or they don't have them in my size. So the SA put me on a wait list. Hopefully they will restock one soon. This comes with a what do you call this? A shoe bag to store your shoe, to store it, I guess. And a 2 rockstud. So this comes in, oh no, this comes with an instruction as well. This is so small, instruction. And it came with 2 rockstuds, 2 extra rockstuds. The SA said I can always come back to them to have it reattached if one of them comes off, which it shouldn't. Hopefully it won't. I rushed back to Nordstrom to purchase this, and then the SA said that these were the last one in my size, so I guess it was meant to be mine. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. But anyways, so the shoe, the sandal is it has an adjustable strap, and it's very pliant. Maybe it's gonna be comfortable, I don't know. And they're very lightweight also. And the Valentino markings right here, I think it's the type that it won't fade because it looks like there's like a protective like covering over it, like a see-through. I don't know, looks like it won't get erased or faded. I can't quite give a review on this beauty just yet because I haven't walked in them like in a different like environment, because I only tried walking in them at the store with carpets and flat smooth surface. So we'll see how they go outdoors. So I will be uploading a follow-up video on this cutie. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Can you see how so pretty? I can't stop. Like, I want to use them right now. I mean, I have no place to go, but I feel like I want to go somewhere just so that I can use this. Anyways, you guys, thank you for watching this quick, I don't know, unboxing